How to fix external hard drive I/O device error on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to get your drive working again using a few different fixes. First, unplug your external hard drive. Try connecting it to a different USB port. After that, if possible, try a different USB cable. From there, open File Explorer. At this point, right-click your external drive and click Properties. Go to the Tools tab. In the next step, click Check under Error Checking. Following this, let Windows scan the drive and fix any errors it finds. Once done, if the error persists, click the Start button. Type Device Manager and open it. From here, expand disk drives and right-click your external drive. At this stage, click Update Driver, then click Search automatically for drivers. Keep in mind, outdated or corrupted drivers are one of the most common causes of this error, so updating them often resolves it on its own. Finally, if none of these work, right-click your drive again and click Uninstall Device, then reconnect it so Windows reinstalls the driver fresh. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the I/O device error on your external hard drive, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.